Hello everyone, welcome to Japanese Shoe Channel. Today I will watch Gigi Delana performs Pangarapko and Ibiginka live on Wish 107.5 Das. This one is I think Tagalog word song. So I'm not familiar with this language, Tagalog, because I can only speak English and Japanese, but I can feel Tagalog and I can listen her voice, and so in my personal opinion, feel that atmosphere is I think it's good for listening to music. So let's try. And before watching the video, please subscribe to my channel to not miss future videos. And also put the notification bell to not to miss my future videos. Thank you. Okay, let's go.
Wish 1075.
Tuwing ikaw ay nariyan, sabay kong nadarama ang kapal at ligaya. Ang iyong tinig, wari ko'y di marinig, pagkat namamangha magkausap ka. Kaya nais kong malaman mo ang sinisigaw nitong aking puso. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka, at sa habang panahon ikaw ay makasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kong ito. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka. Ikaw kaya ay nais din akong makapiling at ibigin. O kay sarap namang isipin na tayong dalawa ay isa ang damdamin. Aking hinihiling na sabihin mo ang nilalaman ng iyong puso. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka, at sa habang panahon ikaw
hope I can understand Tagalog. Her voice
Wish
is
music
really
on
beautiful,
Wish 1075.
and I love it. Oh, today I cannot say a lot of things because I just heard her voice and also the music. Um, but yeah, so sound really makes me calm, really relaxing. Um, when I, how say, my nervous system became overactive, then I listen to this music. Maybe I can relax a lot and becoming more natural state or more better than natural state. Mm, I think so. Mm. Yeah, I hope I can listen to this song in the Philippines, of course. Yes. Today's video is it. Again, please subscribe to my channel to not miss my future videos and put notification bell to not miss my future videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.